Good day all of you. Today we are going to study asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. Here there are various types of asexual reproduction. First one is fragmentation, then regeneration, then budding, then vegetative propagation, and fifth one is spore formation. First one is fragmentation. The fragmentation process of reproduction takes place. Fragmentation itself explains the meaning that something is being broken up into many pieces and each piece starts to regenerate into new organism. This is the concept of fragmentation. Such type of asexual reproduction is being shown by algae. Algae means sheward, and example is Spirogyra, and another one is also a aquatic animal known as sponges, and example is Cycon. This both the organism show the reproduction in the way of fragmentation. Whenever there is plenty of water and nutrient available to the algae Spirogyra, its filament grow up very fast and break up into many small fragments, and each fragment starts to live independently into new Spirogyra fiber. And if the body of Cycon is break up accidentally into many fragments, and each fragment develop into a new Cycon. So this is the fragmentation. Now we are towards the regeneration. Regeneration is the process in which it is also matching the fragmentation, but the body is not broken up into many pieces. It is been divided into two pieces. Is the difference between fragmentation and regeneration. In regeneration you have one example of lizard. You all know that if the tail of lizard is broken up or discarded, then the lizard can develop its tail, but only its tail, not the whole body. If lizard is being break up or cut off from the middle of the body, it won't be able to regenerate, only the tail part. So this is a type of limited regeneration. However, there is one more organism known as Planaria. Planaria divides its body into two halves. From middle it can be divided, and each half will start to regenerate into a new organism, means two new organism will be developed. This is the difference between the limited regeneration and regeneration. Planaria show regeneration and lizards show limited regeneration. Now third one is budding. Budding we have discussed already in unicellular organism. It is some like that, but there it was on the cell, and here it will be on the organism. Hydra is a marine organism, and on that organism there is the formation of bud due to repetitive division of regenerative cell, and due to which the outgrowth is coming out, and that outgrowth is nothing but a bud, and this bud will progressively grow and finally into the small hydra. The dermal layer and the digestive cavity of budding means that small hydra is in continuity with those of parent hydra, means the parent hydra supplies the nutrient to the budding hydra till that budding hydra will not get mature. When once it get mature, it break up and start to live as an independent life.